Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for flights on the Trip.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the home button down below on the left side of the screen, and then at the top you can find the flight option, so click on it. Then select the type of the flight, one-way, round trip or multi-city. After that you should select your departure point by clicking on the From section on the left side. So select your departure point, and by clicking on the two icon you can select your destination. Select the dates on the map, click on the button down below, select the class, the number of passengers, then click on confirm and tap on the search button down below, and in a few seconds you will be able to check out the available tickets. So here you can find them. If you would like to narrow down your search, you can do so by clicking on the filter icon, and then you will be able to apply field preferences and select your departure, and basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.